G'day mates, gents. Cliff, you're right, mate. I'm short 4 meters. God, I don't know what I've been doing. Normally I'm down 5-7%. I reckon I've ruined 10%. So yeah, I need another 4 meters. I'll get them ordered and should be down Wednesday. Apologies for that. Also run out of glue. So yeah, I prefer to go and get another tub of Hackers line. Anyway, here we go. Give it all a mop. Bloody love this stuff. I must admit, it's definitely gone beyond my expectation, this product, and I can see me using them again instead of preference. Definitely better quality. And it's not made in Russia, is it? There you go, chocolate under the bed. Still looks bloody good though. I even gave your toilet a mop to the best of my ability, which isn't brilliant. And I gave your bathroom a little bit of once over, again, not the best of my ability, but, or should I say, it is the best of my ability, which isn't the best. That's what I meant to say. Give your bathroom a little once over. Thanks again, mate. It's been, it has, you know, people go, you always say that, but this has been one of my favourites. And I've never stayed on site. And yeah, it was beyond, it was like glamping, beyond camping. And like I say, thanks again. It was, oh, yeah, it's just beautiful. Quickly bomb through. This has come up beautifully, it really has. Really pleased with this. I think we've matched it in Michael and his partner's boudoir, is it? Yeah, I think it is. Got a nice, really nice little line there, and there's just enough edge there to cork against it. So I expect to see a nice 5mm cork line around there. Beautiful. And God, this came out beautifully as well. You wouldn't even know, man. I filled it. You can't even tell. So the guys who did that with the piranha were, I would have gone like, what the hell do we do with this? But I'm sure they put a double board in. But I think that looks really good. So yeah, and hats off to the what's his name, Matt. He done a good job as well on his turn. Spotted gum in the walk-in. Still looks bloody good. They were what I thought were the shitty boards. But like, you know, it's such a minority, there's only maybe 2 or 3% of them, so you couldn't mix it up. We could have just thrown them randomly in the middle of your floors though. But we chose not to. Those, yeah, make a few cutting boards. And as you can see, I'm short. But again, chucked in a few small boards. You can't even see them, but Michael mentioned this was kind of the main area that would be on show. So my little helper who had the day off today. This run took the absolute best boards. So when you go into the loo, you can admire the beautiful Tassie oak. And yeah, a few those slightly darkers under the, still room for those going under the bed. You can see the bed runs. Again, they're supposed to be shitty, but it looks bloody beautiful. And I've got 6 meters and I need 10. So there we have it. I'll see you Wednesday. Look forward to seeing you guys again. I've left me cup of tea in the other part, so I've got my kettle and my tea bags. And yeah, a couple of hours I'm out of here on Wednesday. So yeah, I'll touch base, let you know when I'm coming down. I've got to come down and do a measure on this job that came out of nowhere, and just put one last bit of trim into a job. So it'll probably be towards lunchtime or so. All right, thanks again, guys. You've been absolute legends. I've never had such beautiful hospitality, and you know, cleaning the barbie and getting us blankets has made us feel so welcome, and it saves so much time. So again, thank you very much from me and Shuang. Thank you.